So now it's time to connect the EC2 instance and install the Docker on it. Okay, so first thing, you have to just come on the dashboard and you have to just select this instance. Okay, and one thing we have to go into change over here. So in the security tab, okay, so we have to just click on this one, and in the security group we are going to just open in the new tab over here. Okay, so let me show you. So as you can see that we have the two rules over here, like inbound rules and outbound rules. Okay, so we are going to do the SSH, and the SSH is going to run on the port 18. Okay, so if you search the SSH port, the SSH port is port 22. Okay, so here in the inbound rule you have to mention the incoming traffic of the instance. So in our case we have the port 22 and the port 80. So because the port 80 is the exactly port that we are going to run our image, so our image is run on the port 80, so hence we are going to add the port 22 and port 80 in the inbound rule. So for that you have to just click on this button, edit inbound rules. Okay, and we are going to add rule over here, so you can just click on this button, and in the custom TCP I'm just choosing first 22, then in the custom, okay, so I'm just going to choose anywhere, and then I am again add another rule over here like custom TCP, and the second port will be port 18, and again I'm just choosing anywhere IPv4, and then I'm just going to save these rules. Okay, so as you can see that we have successfully add these two rules over here like SSH, and the second one is HTTP. Okay, so now it's time to connect the EC2 instance. So you have to just come again on the EC2 dashboard over here. Okay, and you have to just select this instance, and as you can see that we have this option called connect, so you have to just click on it, and here you can see that you have the too many options over here like EC2 connect, then we have the session manager, then we have the SSH client, but we are going to use the SSH client over here, so you have to just go on this one, and then we have to copy this example over here. Okay, then we have to open the terminal over here. And one thing you have to remember, so while launching the EC2 instance, we have downloaded the key pair. Okay, and you have to just copy that key pair and make sure that create a folder and put the key pair on that folder. So as you can see that we have this key pair over here like my-key.pim. Okay, so now we are going to connect the instance, so we have to just copy this example over here, and then you have to just paste this one. Okay, and I'm just going to press enter over here. As you can see that I got this permission called fingerprint, so we have to just type yes over here, and okay, so we are not, so we got this error and our key is not accessible. Okay, so you have to just come again on this dashboard. Okay, so as you can see that Amazon has mentioned this command over here. Okay, so chmod, so using the chmod we can able to change the permission over here. So I'm just going to paste this command over here. Okay, so let's verify once again. So I'm just going to copy this one and just paste it over here, and now this time it's going to connect the instance. So as you can see that we have successfully connect with the EC2 instance. So let me verify once again. So if you type who am I, okay, so it's the Ubuntu. Okay, and so exactly this same username over here. Okay, now we are going to upgrade and update some of the packages onto this system. Okay, so if you don't know any command, so follow me along, so you can able to update and upgrade the packages as well, and later on we can install the Docker on it. Okay, so I'm just clear up all the things. Okay, and you have to use sudo, okay, apt-get update. Okay, then you have to use ampersand. Okay, then I'm just going to use, so before the ampersand, and I'm just using -y for permission over here. Okay, so then I'm just going to use sudo apt-get upgrade over here, and then I'm just using -y as flag. Okay, and I'm just going to enter all the things, and within a second it's going to install all the packages into a system. So as you can see that all the packages is successfully upgraded, and now it's time to install the Docker. So if you type docker, so as you can see that we got this error over here like command docker not found but can be installed with sudo snap install docker, or either you can use sudo apt install docker.io, but we are going to use this second command over here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this one and paste it over here, and then you have to just pass a flag over here like -y. Okay, so once you're done with that, so you have to just press enter over here, and within a second it's going to install the Docker onto the EC2 instance. So as you can see that Docker is installed successfully. So let's verify. So you have to use sudo over here for root permission. So sudo docker, and as you can see that we get all the commands over here, and let's try to run hello world over here. Okay, so hello world image over here. So sudo docker, then pull and hello dash world. Okay, and it's going to pull the image as well. So, and let's try to run this image. Okay, so if you run this command, as you can see that I got this message. Okay, so hello from Docker, which means we are successfully able to install all the packages, and also we are able to install Docker on the EC2 instance. So in the next video, we are going to deploy that one application on this EC2 instance. So for that, see you guys in the next video.